Hey there, if I told you that there is a way to cut your wig making time in half and you don't need a sewing machine, would you believe me?
Girls love Beyonce, girls love to fuck with your conscience. Girls hate when niggas go missing. It's jockey, you ain't no different. These days it's hard to meet women.
This method is very simple, so this will be a show rather than a tile or a voiceover tutorial. If you also want to know how I made the wig glueless and custom sized, make sure to check out the video linked in the end screen. And please let us just ignore my ashy hands, okay? But yeah, enjoy.
Say my name, say my name. Those other men are practice. This ain't no time for acting. This ain't no time for games. This ain't no time for uncertainty. This ain't no time for blocking your phone and not coming home and start some shit. I'm in the zone. This is what I've been saying. No new friends, no. You know how this shit go. This is not 4 years ago. Time escapes me now. Forget how it felt when this shit moves slow. I come through in whips that make a young boy take a long way home. All my young boys round me spit, get money and fuck these hoes. Where we learn these values, I know what to tell you. I'm just trying to find a reason not to go out every evening. I need someone that can help me, someone to pass myself. I need someone I leave to the front door. We gonna hide me, much past right now. You know, just wanna put aside now. That's alone, nothing but the same. Get your head alone.
Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my own ways, I can't blame. Ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction from now, cause I'm falling apart. Tension between us just like big fences. You got issues that I mentioned for now, cause we're falling apart. Listen, part of building trust from a distance. I think we should rule out commitment for now, cause we're falling apart.